This funny little thing is referred to as a beggar's block, a beggar's quilt block. I guess legend has it that in the old days you would go beg your neighbors and your friends for little scraps of fabric, and that's what you would make your beggar's block quilt block out of. Well, fortunately, we don't have to go begging. We have access to really beautiful fabric, like this cat artistry collection from the Beggars company, and a link to that collection will be in the description of this video. So here's the beggar's block. It's very interesting and it's really simple to do. There's no triangles, there's no half square anythings. It's really a nice process. I like this one a lot. You start by, now I chose only one fabric with a background color, white. You can do as many as you like. It's easier to demo with one fabric here just to show you. I cut my fabric into strips that were 1.5 inches thick. And then I cut my white 1.5 inches thick also. There's an extra one. So what you do is you take these and you just stitch them together, okay? The right sides together, stitch 1/4 inch, open it up. And the same with this, right sides together, open it up, and you have a long fabric strip. That's what we have right here. Now, the fun part about this is you're almost done. I mean, you've almost got the units to make the quilt block. What you want to know is how thick is this, okay? Now for me, this was 3¼ inches thick. That means I have to cut at 3¼ inches this way to have a perfect square, okay? So I cut these every 3¼ inch, and then also you have a center square. Cut this at whatever you want, whatever the same size is, 3¼ inches. So here's my plain white. But when I cut these apart, you can see it's just pieces of this long fabric strip. Now, how easy is that, is to arrange a quilt block around this. So start with your center square, and then the rule is it goes straight through the center horizontally, and you keep that horizontal stripe going on the top center and the bottom center. And then on these 4 corners, just turn it up. So you have a vertical stripe on those corners. That was so simple. Do you want to know? This was the easiest quilt block I have ever prepped for a video. Quickest and easiest. So if you're new to quilting, give this a go. You may really love this. Now, when it comes time to sew this together, I would treat these as rows. Sew these 2 together and then sew the 3rd. Sew these 2 together and sew the 3rd on there, and then these 2 with that 3rd, and then stitch your rows together like that. And that's all there is to it. Then you've got the beautiful Beggar's quilt block, and you didn't have to beg for anything. So I hope you will follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, happy sewing.